It's time to talk about one of my favorite activities ever, cleaning. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Kay. I'm a professional home organizer and soprano here in the Boston area, and I'm here to inspire you to live a more organized life. So today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite activities, which is cleaning. I know that's kind of weird, but I am a neat freak. I love cleaning. Cleaning is so fun. Actually, if you play The Sims 4, which is a life simulation game, you know that the neat trait, if you give your Sims the neat trait, when they clean, it actually raises their fun. I'm that Sim. I am that Sim. Oh, Clover's coming. Hi, Clover. So a couple of you have been asking, what is in my cleaning arsenal? What do I use to clean? How often do I clean? What is the whole deal with my cleaning schedule and routine? So when it comes to cleaning, I like to stick by the method that is the KISS method, which is the keep it simple, stupid method. So let's talk about dusting. Dusting is one of the first things I usually do when I do my cleaning routine, and I actually don't like dusting as much as I like doing the other cleaning, because it's like a never-ending battle. Dust comes like from seemingly out of nowhere, even though I know where it's coming from, but it seems to be just never-ending. So let's talk about the things I use to combat dust in my home. The first thing I use to combat dust, and this will be coming up a lot in this video, is microfiber dust cloths. I have like a microfiber actually dust cloth. I've got this little guy, which you can take the hat off of this and put it in the washing machine. Oh my gosh, the dust just kicked up from that. And then you can put it back on and it's good as new, ready to go again. The great thing about microfiber is it can go in the washing machine and get clean. That way you're not just buying dusters over and over again. If I need to go underneath an appliance, I've got this guy. He's like a big paddle and you can get underneath the refrigerator. This is actually really fun to use. And I'll try to link everything that I can down below. If it's discontinued or not available, I will try to link something very similar in the description for you so you can pick it up yourself. Even though I'm trying not to, I still do buy Swiffers. I find that these do an exceptional job, especially when compared to the microfiber. I just use this as long as I can, and I love this long handled one where you can actually like angle it so that you can put it on top of, you know, surfaces and stuff. I love this guy. So I just try to use these for as long as I can to get the most out of them, because I don't think these are recyclable. So I'm trying to use them as long as I can. Next, let's talk about cleaning surfaces. I love good smelling surface cleaners. It's no secret. If I am just in my kitchen and I am cleaning up late at night, I will just use a microfiber cloth and some water. I can do most of my cleaning with just microfiber and water. It's been something I've been doing for a few years now, and it's been really helpful for me if I'm in a pinch, especially that late night in the kitchen. Just get everything up at this and it works really well. These are the Maker's Clean microfiber cloths, and I have tried a bunch of microfiber cloths in my, I guess, career or lifetime, and these are my absolute favorite. I'm not just saying that because I like Melissa Maker, who is here on YouTube. I'm not just saying that because they sent these to me to try. These are fantastic, high quality. They wash up really well, and come on, this is a cute color, right? Right? If I need to add a little surfactant to my surface cleaner, I like to use a concentrated surface cleaner with some water. So my favorites are Mrs. Meyer's, and I also love Laundress, because we fancy up in here. No, really, I mean, I do like this. This is fancy. I think actually use for use, it's a better value than just going to buy like method cleaner or going to buy, you know, 409 at the store, because you only use a little bit of this and mostly water. This bottle is from the company called Common Good. I actually do like their cleaners. I did a review on the Common Good like cleaning line as a whole, and I found their products to be fantastic. I found their customer service to be not so fantastic, which is why I don't have any more Common Good products right now. But I do enjoy this glass spray bottle that I got from them, so I've just been filling this up with the Mrs. Meyer's cleaner and the Laundress cleaner. The Laundress cleaner smells like you have money. This bottle is so dirty, I gotta clean this up. Everything in their line smells very luxurious. They are going for a target market that is like a very like high-end market. So the scents of these products are like a very luxurious, glamorous scent, and that makes cleaning for me a little bit more of a fun experience if I have this really lovely smelling, you know, elegant smelling surface cleaner. But that's basically what's in here. And you know, when I feel I just changed out for the Mrs. Meyer's just because of the cleaner. I feel like they do the same job. One isn't better than the other. They just smell different to me. I like the lavender. But that's what I use for all the surfaces in my house, except for the toilet. Toilet, I have a special cleaner. When it comes to the bathroom though, I have a thing about the toilet and the surfaces of the toilet. So I use this method bathroom cleaner on the toilet, exclusively. I also use the toilet cleaner. I don't have any right now to show you, but I love it because it smells like peppermint or spearmint, and for some reason that makes me feel like I'm getting the toilet cleaner. It does have an antibacterial property. I think it just uses citric acid as its antibacterial substance. And by the way, I say this in every cleaning video that I want to de-vilify the word chemical. Chemical is a word that we use to describe chemicals, which could be water, tomato sauce, or bleach. So all of those things are chemicals. But I want to choose less toxic chemicals to clean my house because I have a dog and because I sing for a living also. So I want to choose products that are going to be the least irritating for my eyes, respiratory system, and also little Clover Bean, who is usually closer to floor and other surfaces than I am. So that is the reason I don't use chlorine bleach in my house, but I do disinfect without using chlorine bleach. I make a homemade disinfectant using rubbing alcohol, water, and essential oil. I don't use that much essential oil. It's just really for the smell because it smells good. But you can make a homemade disinfectant if you use isopropyl alcohol, or you can use ethyl alcohol too, but it has to be 70% alcohol or more, because that alcohol that you buy from the store is actually diluted. It stays good for a while, so I spray it onto the surface, clean first, then disinfect. That order: clean, then disinfect. So what you want to do is you want to clean your surface first, and then you must spray this onto your surface and let it sit there for 90 seconds, and then you can wipe it away. Usually this will dry quicker than I can wipe it away, so I won't need to do that much wiping. But homemade disinfectant has been in my cleaning arsenal for years, and I love it. I do use vinegar and baking soda in my mix. I have a vinegar cleaner that is specially for glass and chrome and stuff. I find that the acetic acid in vinegar is good for breaking down soap scum and hard water stains and stuff like that. So I use that on my shower door along with a fine weave microfiber cloth, because these are better at getting those water stains off of the shower than any other microfiber cloth. Although a regular fluffy microfiber cloth, I can't talk today, will do a good job, but the fine weave is what you want to use on glass. It just makes it so much better. And I have a little baking soda in a spice jar because I don't actually use this that much. I use baking soda for a number of different things, but the main thing I use it for is if I have weird stains on my bathroom counters. All I have to do is sprinkle a little bit of this. I have a whole, oh, it came out. All I have to do is sprinkle a little bit on the counter and then make a little paste with some water, and I will just gently buff away if it's a mark made from a computer that sat there or something that scraped there, it usually takes it off. So baking soda does a really fantastic job in the place of things like magic eraser. You just have to use a lot more elbow grease, but it will do the same job. It will wipe away disgusting stains. Sometimes if you're really in a pinch and you need to use something like magic eraser, you can do that. I'm always hesitant to recommend magic eraser because although it works really well, it's not great for the environment because it doesn't biodegrade and doesn't break down. So I would always reach for baking soda first. And we'll talk about some special players. I have some OXO brushes that I love to use. There's a big brush that I use in the shower on the shower floor. If anything is really gunky or gross in there, I can clean up some of those stains. I'll just flash a picture of it or some footage on the screen for you. And I use these little tiny cleaning, almost toothbrushes to clean spots on the faucet, between the faucet and the counter, or any spot where there's little gunk built up or some, grout or something like that. These are fantastic. They come in a set there from OXO, and this even has a little silicone tip here so that you can get inside tiny little grooves, get that dirt out. So I love these. These are one of my favorite cleaning things, and this set has held up really well over the past few years, so I'll leave a link for these down below. So let's talk about some really strong players in my cleaning game, okay? Strong players. The first really powerful player is my O Cedar mop. This mop is awesome. It's actually really dirty and to clean it, but it's got a microfiber head that is very scrubby. So if you have a disgusting bathroom floor, you can spray and clean this up, and you can just fill it with whatever cleaner you'd like. And it has been a rock solid rock star for like 10 years now. This thing has been a beast. I don't know if you can buy this exact model anymore, but this is fantastic. I don't do a lot of manual mopping, but when I do, I reach for this guy, and it's been amazing. I did buy one like spare, I guess head. You know, when this one gets dirty, it's probably a good time to change this one out anyway because it looks nasty on camera. But so I just throw that one in the wash, and then I'll use the new one, and it's been amazing. The other rock star in my cleaning arsenal has been my Dyson vacuum. This is the Dyson V8, which I think is a few models old. I think the Dyson V11 is out now, so this is like an old vacuum, but I tell you right now, this is one of the best investments in my cleaning arsenal that I have. It's so powerful. It picks up all of the dog hair because dog hair is everywhere, and it's got great attachments. It's very, very effective, lasts for a long time, and it's worth every penny I paid for it. If you are ever on the fence about whether or not you should get a Dyson vacuum, just buy the vacuum. It's so good. And Dyson is actually really good about their products. They believe in their products, their customer service. You can get their Dyson repaired. If it ever like breaks down, just do it. Just buy a Dyson. It's worth it. The next big player on the team, and probably at this point the MVP, is my Roomba. Look at her. I love the Roomba. The Roomba is one of my favorite things in the world because it picks up all of the dog hair that I left behind under furniture, and like little dust particles and stuff that I might miss on my daily, like, you know, sweep throughs with the Dyson or something. So it goes everywhere, and it's wonderful. I think the ones they make now are even better than this one. Well, I'm sure they're better than this one. This one's a few years old, but and I think they have one that empties itself so that you don't have to deal with the dustbin, which, oh my God, I want that so bad. I'm waiting for the price to go down, but the Roomba is my favorite thing, especially if you are a pet owner, if you are a dog owner, oh my, and you have a long-haired dog, this is gonna be your best friend. This is gonna be your best friend because let me tell you, I had cats for years, like 20 years, and I thought the cat hair was bad, but the dog hair is out of control. Out of control. My last and final cleaning hero that I love so bad is my iRobot Brava M6 robot mop. Did I say that right? I don't know. The robot mop is so helpful for me. Both the mop and the vacuum, the robot mop and vacuum respectively, are so helpful that I have not really had to mop in here like ever. As long as you run them both pretty frequently, like every other day, you are good. The robot mop does such a good job cleaning up, and it's just so cute when it goes around and makes this little robot wheel sound. It's much louder than the previous model, but the previous model was made by a different company. I'll link a whole thing up above in the cards where you can, you know, watch a review of the mop compared to the old mop, whatever. But I love this cleaning robot. I think it was $500 when it first came out. I don't know if it's still $500. That's a hefty price to sink into a cleaning robot. However, I love this cleaning robot, and I highly recommend her. She is wonderful. I say thank you to it when it finishes its job. I'm like, thank you so much. Both the mop and the vacuum actually can work in tandem. The newer models, mine don't talk to each other, but I think the new ones do. They'll like go one after the other or something when they're running, but I highly recommend, especially if you have a dog. Dog prints are everywhere in the wintertime. Get a robot mop. You will not regret it. As far as my cleaning routine goes, I really don't have a cleaning routine. It's terrible. I just clean a little bit every day, and once a month I find the need to do a big clean, but it's really more of a detail clean, you know, like clean the baseboards, clean, you know, windowsills, places I don't usually touch on my daily, you know, go arounds with my microfiber cloth or my duster. But and that's really fun for me. But taking, you know, one day a week just to clean everything, for me, that doesn't work. But I like to clean a little bit every day, do a big clean once a month, and just have a general sense of fabulousness all around. I am my sim. by the way. I gave my sim the neat trait, and I can see the little fun bar goes up when she's happy and cleaning, and it makes me laugh, and I love it. Let me know what your favorite cleaning chore is. I love to clean glass. For some reason, I love to clean this. The satisfaction of getting the glass and chrome all shiny and new and beautiful. Oh, that's just so satisfying to me. Tell me what your favorite cleaning chore is, or if you hate cleaning altogether, leave it in a comment down below. Let me know. All right, you guys, I hope you're having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay clean out there. Bye.